When you take the Jenkins MAC Online Program, you're really part of a community of students. And that community includes the online students as well as the on-campus students. You are not going to be a faceless name in the system here.
We offer one program delivered in two formats, one on campus and one happens to be online. But you have access to the same faculty. You will do the same assignments as everyone else. The only thing that may change is how you do those assignments, but you will have the same content no matter which way you go.
I started off in the fall with just one class. I really leaned on advising from Scott, and he had recommended maybe just starting out with one because I'm working, I'm a mom, I have other responsibilities. So I really am glad that I took that advice and got my feet wet, and it gave me the confidence to take 2 classes this spring.
As your academic advisor, I will sit down with you and we'll talk about what's going on in your life, what are the requirements of the program, and we will match the program up to meet your needs so you can be successful in completing the program.
And so professors try to accommodate all of those different students and their different needs and scheduling.
It's totally flexible. We can work around your schedule. You can complete the online MAC program in as short as 2 semesters, but most online students complete it in 18 to 24 months.
I find it more manageable to spend at least an hour or 2 every day, and then I don't have to do as much catching up and reminding myself, what did I look at last time?
In addition, we have MAC students work together in teams on certain projects, so you really have an opportunity through those teams and through the synchronous Zoom sessions to actually get to know other students and to find other students that are probably in the same position that you are. So I'll just really emphasize, it's a community, we get to know each other, we support each other in learning and earning that master's degree.
The MAC program meets you where you are.